So how much is it to sell on Craigslist, or is Craigslist free? Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In this video we're going to discuss how much it actually is to sell on Craigslist and whether or not it actually is free or not. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. Now if you're talking about whether it is free or not to post on Craigslist, yes, it is actually absolutely free. You don't have to pay even a cent or a penny in order to post your ads on Craigslist. And not only that, even after you post ads on Craigslist, just like on other ad platform and e-commerce platform, you have the option to boost and sponsor your post in order to get it to the top. But on Craigslist we do not have that option as well, which means that there is no way that you can pay to Craigslist, or there is no way that Craigslist actually takes money from you, because it is all in all a completely free platform. So all you need to do is, in order to post on Craigslist, is that you have to create a Craigslist account, which is also, again, by the way, absolutely free. If you don't know how to create a Craigslist account, you can watch our other videos, search them up in our channel, and then you'll find it very easily. And after you've created an account, you'll be able to be redirected to your specific website, which is craigslist.org, and depending upon the region, the location just right before the Craigslist.org is going to be chosen automatically. And if you want to post your own post, then you have to click on the option called create a posting from the very top. Go ahead and then choose your categories, fill in the details such as your product type and so on in order to post your ads on Craigslist. But just to answer your question, Craigslist is absolutely free. You don't have to pay a dime in order to post your ads and list it on Craigslist. Hopefully this video answered your question. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.